Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Google Ads personalization. So first you're going to open the ad settings by going to adssettings.google.com. The link will be in the description as well. By default, this option should be turned on. If you scroll down, you will see what your ads are based on. For example, my ads are based on my language. The information that is used to personalize ads differs from person to person, so you might not see the same thing that I have over here. So to turn this off, turn off the option that says ad personalization is on. It will let you know what happens when you turn off personalization. Please note that you will still see ads, but the ads that you see will not be relevant to you. Then click on Turn Off. Then click on Got It. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from this feature, and I'll see you next time.